Okay, we will be doing a gas tube molar volume lab. And to get it started and to get it set up, you will notice that I have a gas tube that's filled with about 10 milliliters of concentrated acid, so HCl, a reaction we are very familiar with. We are going to take a small sample of magnesium ribbon and react it to that acid to collect the gas that's produced in this single replacement reaction. I took 1 meter of magnesium ribbon and weighed it. It is 1.6 grams, but I took only 2 centimeters. Notice the difference between meter and centimeters. And I'll make the assumption that the mass is going to be relatively the same throughout, and it's sort of an average. So you'll need to calculate what 2 centimeters of magnesium is going to weigh if 1 meter weighs 1.6 grams. All right, what I need to do next is I need to pour in water to fill up the tube the rest of the way, leaving the concentrated acid on the bottom. So I'm going to do that. Would do it normally at a slope, but I'm going to do it a little quicker today. Fill it completely up. I'm going to take this copper wire through a 1-hole stopper that'll fit. The copper does not react with the acid. Remember, copper is lower on the activities chart than hydrogen, so we can make use of copper for that reason. Now I'm going to displace that down there so that I have nothing but solution inside the gas tube. Now at this point, I'll have to slip this out of the burette clamp. And I am going to invert it by holding my finger over, because I don't want any air getting in there. I'm holding my finger over the top of the rubber stopper and make sure that my finger is below the surface of the water before I release it. And I see no air bubbles coming up, so I'm good to go, so that any gas that's being produced will be hydrogen gas from the reaction. As the acid starts now diffusing downward by gravity as well, and comes in contact with the magnesium ribbon. When that happens, we're going to get all kinds of bubbling happening because gas is being produced. Gas has only one place to go, and that's up. It will displace by pressure pushing the solution, because water is fluid as well, back down through the 1-hole stopper out into my container. And by the time the reaction is all done, I should have a volume of hydrogen gas. All right, good to go.